Hey guys, welcome to another video. iPhone 12 Pro to sport 120Hz refresh rate screen and more. A bit earlier, there have been rumors that the iPhone 12 series will miss the 120Hz refresh rate. But now it seems the upcoming iPhone will support this feature. DSCC founder and CEO Ross Young showed a list of smartphones that support the 120Hz refresh rate this year. It shows that the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max are among them. In other words, the high-end version of the new iPhone 2020 may support a 120Hz refresh rate. Also, it is reported that the thickness of the body is thinner than the previous generation. Even the 6.7-inch version is only 7.4 mm. It is confirmed that the wired headset will no longer be included in the random packaging. We are waiting for this line to come to the market in October. Apart from this, we also see another interesting model in the list. It turns out the upcoming Huawei Mate 40 will support a 120Hz refresh rate as well. Prior to this, many bloggers have indicated that Apple had obvious differences in the 120Hz refresh rate of the iPhone 12 Pro series. The marketing department hoped that this feature will be available this year. But the technical department believed that the iPhone 12 Pro series will be delayed again, perhaps until October to November. However, the good news is that the 120Hz refresh rate has passed Apple's first round of hardware testing, and there is indeed a possibility of loading it into the iPhone 12 Pro series. It is worth noting that, as the insider disclosed in the past, this year's 4 new models of the iPhone 12 series will adopt a thin and light design. Also, from the latest information given by the supply chain channels, the iPhone 12 series product line will be better than the iPhone 11. This series is thinner. Even the 6.7-inch version has a thickness of only 7.4 mm, which is about 10% thinner than the 8.1 mm iPhone 11 Pro Max. Of course, the side effect of the thinner body is that the battery life will not be ideal. Although the iPhone 12 series uses a new multi-layer stacked motherboard design and may increase battery capacity in this regard. According to the information disclosed by people familiar with the matter, the battery capacity of the 2 new models of the iPhone 12 Pro series will not exceed 4,400 mAh. In response to previous reports that this year's new iPhone will not randomly provide wired headphones, Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives confirmed in the latest report that it will help Apple increase AirPod headset sales. It will increase from 65 million units sold last year to 85 million. More importantly, the analyst also said that the Apple supply chain problem caused by the epidemic has been resolved. This means that if the iPhone 12 Pro series will not be significantly delayed. So guys, that's it in this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.